Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. So, anyways, on the 1 hour time frame, if you saw my morning video, it definitely played out just as planned. I said this morning that it would make way more sense for this to go down and make an ABC, that three wave move. We had initially had our Fibonacci retracement here. I mean, it went a little bit below the 78%, but definitely did respect that area. Nice impulsive move up, three ways down. Five waves up, three waves down, perfect entry. Now the question is, do we have an A, B, C, and we're going to bounce from a Fibonacci retracement level in the last push down and possibly end up reversing to the downside? Or is this actually a wave one, a wave two, and we're now in a wave three, and this potentially could, make some little pullbacks, but not make a break of structure at a Fibonacci level and just continue pushing up? Because I have this as a possible ABC correction, I definitely would not be surprised whatsoever if the trend definitely did continue. But also, I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't. So, the market's the only one that really knows best. So that way, if we do get like a double top at a Fibonacci level, that's what's going to stop me from looking for longs and stop me back on the short side because that would likely, at that point, tell me that it's an ABC. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.